what's up? This is Odolena from Odolena Digital, and today we are starting a new series devoted to the upcoming holiday season. And in this series, I'm going to talk about e-commerce and how to succeed online during the holiday season. Hello and welcome to my channel. Be sure to subscribe. Every Sunday I post a different video. I work for Google, so this channel is my place where I share my ideas from digital marketing coming from experience and knowledge. Just want to mention that this channel is agnostic, which means I'm not a spokesman of Google. Share best practices and ideas for especially helping advertisers be successful with online strategies on Google Ads, on Facebook Ads, and other channels. So today I'm gonna talk about the holiday season. So I'm starting a new series with the upcoming holiday season. Within a couple of months we have Cyber Monday, Black Friday, some of the biggest days in e-commerce selling. So today I'm going to talk about first episode, which will be smart shopping campaigns from Google. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some resources on where to find trendy products and things to sell, where you can find the best dates and the most important times of the year for your product to sell online. So stay with me until the end of the video. One important thing when it comes to bidding and the holiday season. One very crucial thing is that you don't cap your budget. So whenever you are looking at your results in Google Ads user experience and you see that your campaign is limited by budget, it should usually be in red, you have to increase the daily budget. The reason is that all the smart bidding solutions that Google have a bit of a problem with limited budgets, except for maximized conversions, which is limited by budget by default. You will always spend your budget. But with target CPA and target ROAS, so target return on acquisition or return on ad spend, you will have to make sure that your campaign has the budget to perform and they don't run out of budget before the end of the day. The reason is that actually these campaigns are trying to get you the best result possible for your target. Let's say if you want return on ad spend 100%, they will bid in order for you to get this return as close as possible. If you want to have, let's say, cost per acquisition to be, I don't know, $100, they will try to make this happen as much as possible. And if you're aggressive, your target is very aggressive. Let's say you want huge return of ad spend and there's not that many search queries, then it could be a problem. However, during the holiday season, you have this surge of queries, you have a lot of people researching, they're converting more, they're more likely to buy, they're more likely to try a new advertiser, they're more likely to try a new seller, and you have also increased volume. So from these, actually you are able to take most advantage if you actually reduce your return on ad spend during the holiday season. You will get more sales. Of course, you will pay more for advertising. However, at the end, you will end up spending, getting more money in rather than just limiting your ability to capture this traffic that happens once per year. These type of campaigns actually do their own placement allocation. So what does that mean? So with the standard shopping campaigns, you can only show on Google search and in the shopping results. With smart shopping campaigns, you actually enable the campaigns to show across several other properties, including YouTube, including Gmail, and Google Display. So this is much more inventory, much more opportunities for your ads to show to a lot of different audiences. Which brings us to the next point, which is fully automated again by Google. You don't need to set up any audience targeting. Actually, you don't need to tell anything. They will just pick up your website, get remarketing lists from there. So all the people that have visited your website, they will be able to remarket them, to show them ads to come back and complete the action that they have stopped doing. Then they will expand towards similar users, similar to your website visitors, and also to people who are likely to be interested in purchasing this type of product at the moment, so in market segments. So across all these audiences, basically these campaigns are going to optimize and show your ads to people who are most likely to purchase your product. What's something great is that you can do dynamic remarketing with smart shopping ads. So dynamic remarketing means that you show the user an ad about a product that they have viewed. Maybe they have put it in their basket, or they have viewed it recently, and you just remind them to finish the action, to complete the purchase. I'm sure that you have seen some of these ads. These are called dynamic remarketing shopping ads, and what they require is you to have some script installed on your website, so that you have this event created that Google knows when someone has put your product in the basket or view the product, and in that way they can target them with precisely this product in an ad. So this is really, really powerful. And finally, the creative is also fully automated. Of course, you have to provide that feed, which is really important. You cannot do a shopping campaign without a feed at the moment. However, basically Google will generate a creative based on your feed with an image of the product, with headlines, with description, with the price, and they will make sure that this creative looks native. What does native mean? In many times when you look at Google search, you might not be sure which is an ad and which is a paid result. So this has been changing over the time, and now Google has worked on a lot on their advertisements, and many of them actually look like they're not an ad. So it's very difficult to make difference between what's an ad and what's not an ad. And the reason is that when people don't see that it's an ad, they're more likely to click on it, they're more likely to purchase. It just looks better. Sometimes people develop this kind of scanning ability to just scan through and discard anything that's a paid advertisement. So all these smart shopping creatives, automated creatives, look native. So they, of course, there is a sign that it's an ad, but they will fit in very well in these platforms where. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. As I promised, I'm going to share with you one very important resource when you're doing your strategy with shopping, and this is called Think with Google Shopping Insights. Think with Google is the blog of Google Ads, where you can see like all kind of information on online marketing with Google Ads. And they have this amazing tool which is called Shopping Insights. So pretty much like Google Trends, for those of you who are familiar with Google Trends, which you can use to see when certain type of product categories or product verticals are searched and when the spikes in the year come. So you can compare different types of products and see when actually the big days for your type of products are coming, so you can be prepared. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, comment if you have any ideas or questions, and I'll be back with a new video helping you to crack this holiday season shopping. I'll be back next Sunday. Thank you.